Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I'm learning to live creatively in a small space so I can travel the world, experience all that I can, and pursue my hobbies. Now today we are spending our very dreary rainy day by reorganizing my pantry, and I cannot wait because we are going to Home Goods. And I remember when I was little and my grandmother really loved Home Goods, she would drag me there. I thought it was the most boring place in the world, and today I'm just so pumped. Let's go. All right, we are at Home Goods. I just got out of my Uber and the gentleman was Ethiopian and he had this amazing recipe that he shared with me. So I'm gonna have to try it for a curry at home, which is great inspiration for today. But here we are. It's a lot of Easter. A lot of Easter. I didn't know they had knobs like that. I want this to be more comfortable. You can buy sheets here. You can buy food here. You can buy clothes and towels. Anything you want. The world's your oyster in Home Goods. They're so tiny. Just make sure you check the expiration dates on all the food you're getting at Home Goods or any other discount store, because sometimes it's because it's expired, so be careful. I can't come here and not smell candles. And by candles, I mean 80% of them. Okay guys, we are back from Home Goods and I only bought 2 candles, which I am super proud of myself for doing. They had a ton of kitchen organization stuff. They had those click-clack containers that everyone really loves. They're a little bit tricky to stack because of the click-clack function, and because my pantry is both open and small, I wanted it to be exactly how I wanted it aesthetic-wise and very flat top. So I have some containers from Amazon that'll work perfect for that. I am going to clear away all of the extra stuff that I have going on in my pantry right now and clean it all off, and then I'm going to resupply it with brand new stuff. I do have some new spices. I'm going to clear out expired spices, and I hope this looks a whole lot better and makes my space a whole lot more productive and inspiring. Okay, so to be honest, I probably would prefer the aesthetic of these beautiful little tins over the jars that I'm gonna put them in. However, as attractive as these are, they don't stack. And because of that reason, there's just no way that functionally it would make sense to put these into my pantry, because this is really the only spot that I could put them. So we're going to put them in the beautiful jars because it's a lovely jar and the measurements are perfect. So I have a bunch of colored chalk markers and I'm going to make a bunch of labels for these wonderful spices. After trying all the pens, I think that the green one is useless. The white one is probably my favorite. I might try another color, but I think that the white will look best for everything. Okay, so now that I've cleaned all my jars, I'm going to fill them with the appropriate spice. So the more that I take a peek at these beautiful little jars, I'm noticing also that they're not airtight. So I think that the new jars will also not only be more functional, but they will also help my, food is getting into a bag as always. It will help my spices last for a longer period of time. So that took just about forever, but that's okay because it looks very cute and it'll look perfect right next to my cooktop, so I have all the spices exactly where I need them to be. So next I'm going to add a slightly too large marble spoon rest and oil, because these are the things that I use most frequently when I cook. I'm going to have a space that's dedicated to more vinegars and oils, and because I like to use all of those things over here. So this is mostly just going to be dry goods, and this is all easy to wipe down, which is great because I don't want it to get gross and dirty. Okay, so I have 5 of each of these sizes. I got them off of Amazon. I really think they're nice and sleek. All the wooden tops are very different, which is cute. And they have these gaskets on them, which creates an airtight seal so that all of my food stays fresh. I'm going to be putting pastas and baked goods in the big ones, maybe some granola and snacks in the smaller ones, and in the medium ones, I'll find something, maybe rice and beans or something. We'll see what we have in my pantry. I did not get any sort of funneling situation for this project, which would have been a very cheap and very appropriate thing to buy for this project. I don't have it. So we're just going to be very messy and plop the ingredients into my sanitized jars. And yeah, let's go. This is already broken. So, oh, there's a candle. Probably shouldn't do that. That wasn't so bad. I'm going to find another home to store the extra because it's very broken. Ta-da! 1 down, 1,000,000 to go. For anyone who's cringing about me using my hands on everything, don't you worry. It's just me and my cat, so it'll be okay. Smooth. Why do you taste so good, but you're so miserable to put into a jar? I really hope I don't get ants. Oh, that's half the brown sugar right there. Oh, no. It would be me to be covered in sugar right now. Okay, so now all of my dry goods have a brand new home with instructions should they need. I have a couple of things that there are extra of, so I'm going to store those away for later use and then organize this in my pantry and see what I can fit in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in these types of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.